So what you doing here, boy?
I was drugged and kidnapped.
And why would somebody do that to you?
Now where are you going to go from here? What are you going to do?
This model or module, what we're doing at the moment, is really important. We're not just doing a show and at the school or in the community and then leaving straight away. We are living within the community. We're getting to know the kids on a personal level in terms of doing workshops with them.
It's actually about participating, and it's such a different way of learning rather than the whole structural thing of coming into a classroom, sitting down in the mundaneness of someone speaking at you sometime. And then that gap between student and teacher. There is still that element within what we do, absolutely, which is necessary for boundaries and someone in charge to be able to direct them or lead them to somewhere that they might not have thought they'd ever be a part of.
The students have increased in their confidence, usually 100%, and all of them are usually willing to contribute to the performance. If that's not on stage, then they're always willing to help backstage and be our stage managers or assistant stage managers. So yeah, confidence is definitely the biggest growth we see.
You can't go in there and go, well, this is what we're doing and everyone does it like this. We have to adjust in terms of who they are individually and work with them so that we can actually get them to actually get up and perform.
I liked how they challenged us and like how they just made us jump up and just start doing all these random activities, put us on the spot, put me out of my comfort zone.
You learn good English but Aboriginal, Aboriginal style.
It's absolutely like beautiful because it's mad and everything, like it's awesome to have them around and all that.
Kids for the first time are being recognised as the valued audience where we can make the greatest difference. We are giving them opportunity and delivering a message which is invaluable, and we are truly seeing a change in young kids' lives. We are raising their confidence, we are raising their sense of identity, we are showing them who they are and who they can be, and it's happening at a wonderful speed.
The show is beautifully written. It's got all the things that community has in it itself. The characters, the lingo, the language, the jokes, that kind of stuff. And yeah, I think that, and it's from an Indigenous perspective, because majority of these communities up here have really large First Nations population. So yeah, what's been achieved so far is not only a project that has potential legs, but it actually works.